one lesson that we can take away from all of this is that this skin color, this skin that holds all of us, that holds all of this consciousness in, it doesn't mean anything. If you're religious and you believe in spirit, spirituality, religion, God, whatever the case may be, just know that you're right. This is not real. It's not real. So who is our creator? That's the big question. Why did he create this place? Why did he create this universe? Well, the question, why did we create video games? Why did we create movies? To be entertained, to learn. Maybe we're just here for somebody's entertainment. Maybe we are just an experiment and somebody's watching this experiment. Maybe it's not God, or maybe it is God, but it's not the God you think it is. So, what is the final answer? Who created us? Why did they create us? Well, harnessing back to what I was just talking about as far as why do we create artificial intelligence? Let's ask us that. Let's ask us that question. Why do we create AI? Because we can. Right? Because we can. We don't need an answer to why we just create. We just can. So that should give you an idea, a reason, a meaning to your own existence. Is that the creator, whoever it is, whether it be God, whether it be an interdimensional being, whether it be an alien, whoever it may be, or whoever it may be, could be a group of people, a group of individuals, a group of beings. They created us because they could. So when we create something, when we create an AI, when we create a robot that can talk, communicate, move, who is its God? We are. Right? So let's take the idea of God into consideration, and let's apply it to modern day terms. We think of God as the Almighty, the creator of everything. Well, when we create a video game, when we create a CGI world, we've become gods. We did it because we could. We did it because of our knowledge of it. Because we've come this far. We do it for entertainment. So to think that somebody out there or something out there created us for their entertainment, it's not that far-fetched. Now, do they care? Well, do you care? When you're playing a video game or when you're watching a movie and you're watching these things, these characters that are not real, do you care? Well, I guess it depends on the movie, right? It depends on the story. So the next question is, let's get rid of the word God. Let's look at the word creator. What does the creator think of us? Well, me, I work as an artist. So when I create something, I create it. I create it because I can. It's a part of me. It's a part of who I am. And then I move on and I create the next masterpiece. So now it brings us to multiverses. Now, for those who understand or have been to the movies, you guys know about multiverses. You guys know that there's probably a million versions of yourself that exist out there in the universe. What is the universe? It's a simulation. How can something so big be contained? It has to have a beginning. The universe has to have a beginning. A program has a beginning. Does it have an end? I mean, I don't think a program could have an end unless it's completely damaged, unless it's destroyed in some way, shape, or form. So, going back to the multiverses, that's why I believe life is a simulation, is because the idea of multiverses, the idea that we're different beings and different people, different personalities, and all these different multiverses. So that gives meaning to simulation theory. It doesn't give meaning to science. It doesn't give meaning to religion. Because in a simulation, science, religion doesn't mean anything. All of it, science and religion, is just theories. Because simulation is a theory. But simulation proves what religion can't. It proves what evolution is. It proves what we are. It proves that none of this is real. It's real. It's only real because it's happening right now. You're watching this. You're watching this. But what does it mean? Think about that. What your brain is trying to comprehend that which cannot be comprehended. What is the universe? It's a simulation. What is life? It's a simulation. What happens to us after we die? Well, we probably exist in a different multiverse. Maybe in a different consciousness. Maybe heaven, this place that's called heaven, that was described in the ancient book. Who really knows? But simulation theory can prove it all. Because if you believe that everything is a simulation, then it proves the existence of everything.